Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my morning skincare routine and how to layer your skincare products in the correct order. So this skincare routine is perfect if you have very sensitive and very dry skin. It's super hydrating and it's going to give you that glass skin look. I double cleanse, so I start out with an oil-based cleanser. This first wash is going to help remove makeup, break up all the dirt on your face, and clean out those clogged pores. I love this oat cleansing balm because it has colloidal oatmeal to help soothe and comfort my sensitive dry skin. Next, I go in with my water-based cleanser. I use Cream Gentle Facial Cleanser. It's my absolute favorite. I've been using it for about 5 years and my skin absolutely loves it. It has clean ingredients, it's so gentle, and it leaves my skin feeling really clean and soft. You want to layer your products from lightest to thickest in terms of consistency. Starting with toner, I use the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. This toner is super hydrating. I notice my skin doesn't flake as much anymore since I've incorporated this toner in my routine, and it just leaves my skin feeling super juicy and hydrated. My absolute favorite thing is this Snow Mucin Essence. I've been using this for years. This product is definitely key to achieving that glass skin look. It's going to keep your skin moisturized and give you that luminous look. After your essence, you can go in with your other serums and spot treatments. I typically use the topical faded serum after applying this. I mostly use it at night now. Next, you go in with your eye cream or eye mask. I have been obsessed with the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream. It's so moisturizing and so brightening. I have fine lines under my eyes and it definitely helps with the appearance. This eye cream just gives your under eyes an overall youthful glow. For moisturizer, I'm using Thayer's Berry Bestie Ultra Whipped Cream. It took me so long to find a moisturizer to keep my skin moisturized all day. The consistency is thick, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. This does my skin wonders. I'm not getting dry patches on my skin throughout the day anymore. I absolutely love this. Lastly, you want to go in with the sunscreen. I never realized how important sunscreen is. It's crucial to protecting our skin against the sun and UV rays. Regular use of sunscreen can be anti-aging, so that's good for the skin. I've been using Innisfree. It's lightweight, it doesn't break me out, and it doesn't leave my face looking ashy or with a white cast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know if you want a nighttime skincare routine in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love skincare content, and subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss the next upload. Bye! All in my phone, I got options.